Hey you guys, so today I got my Lush Kitchen order that I placed, and so I'm going to open it and we'll see what we have. So, ooh, this smells so good. So I got a haircut since the last time that I made a video, because it was like too long to where like I couldn't do anything with it, or I kept like pulling it out because it'd get caught under my arms, and then I'd move and then I'd rip out some hair. Ugh. So I cut it. All right, so let's see what we have here. Yes, so this is the Lush Kitchen subscription box for the month of June 2023. That's what it looks like. So a lot of you know that I love the Happy Blooming scent, and this is the exclusive Happy Blooming jelly. So I think I like the jelly scent of the Happy Blooming jelly more than the other Happy Blooming scents, because it's a little stronger and it's just more juicy and cherryish. Oh God, it smells cherryish, of course. It's such a gorgeous color, and it doesn't smell as strong as the UK Lush Happy Blooming, but it smells really good. So this is made with cherry infusion, coconut water, and creamed coconut, almond essential oil, benzoin, and ylang-ylang. And you can really smell the ylang-ylang. My nose picks that up right away. So if those of you who used to buy from the UK Lush liked the Happy Blooming, this is a little less strong. And if you thought the UK Happy Blooming was too strong, then you should like this one. So I'm excited because I voted for Happy Blooming as well. So next is Lush Lime Smoothie. Okay, and this is made with limes, and it smells really good. It's actually, the first ingredient here is butternut squash. Okay, butternut squash, and that's what gives it this sort of luscious texture. And it also has extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, fresh lime juice, grapefruit oil, and orange flower absolute. So I remember trying this for the first time back in the early to mid 2000s. I like the consistency, you know, because those of you who, you know, have watched my Lush Smoothies video, I recall saying that the Lush Lime Smoothie was one of the thinnest consistency smoothies of all 6 or 7 of the Lush smoothies. And this, however, is not as thin as I recall it being, because you can turn it upside down and nothing is falling out. And I couldn't do that with the Lush UK Lush Lime. If I did that, it would come dripping out. So I like that. I like the thicker consistency. And this is like a soap, right? So you can take this in the shower, and it's more of a less drying kind of soap. And it also has more sort of goodies for your skin. It smells really nice. It smells fruity and like a lime. Again, it's not as strong as it used to be, but it's still yummy, okay? And then you just rinse it off after you put it on in the shower like soap, then you rinse it off, okay? So that's Lush Lime Smoothie. And I don't know if I voted for that or not. And we have something called Raspberry Lime. This reminds me, the name of it reminds me of the Artemis lotion that was exclusive to the Lush UK forum that they made for a forum member called Artemis. And let's see. Well, let me use it on my skin. Okay, now it does smell like raspberry lime on the skin, but in the pot it was very light, like very light. So that's interesting. I really like this. It's different, you know, raspberry lime. Lush doesn't make any raspberry lime things except for that extremely exclusive lotion that they made for Artemis. And so this has fresh lime infusion and almond oil, cold pressed raspberry seed oil, fair trade cocoa butter, bergamot oil, fresh raspberries, and Persian lime oil, and myrrh. So myrrh is very incensey and earthy, and so interesting. Like I say, it's stronger. The scent is stronger when you rub it on your skin than it is in the pot, but it's not real strong. I think that you guys will like it. It's different, and the lotion is not, it's sort of in the middle as far as the texture or consistency of Lush lotions. It's not the thinnest Lush lotion I've tried, but it's not the thickest one either. Somewhere in the middle. You can see how nice and creamy it is. Yeah. So that is raspberry lime. I'm excited about this because it is so exclusive. So awesome. And then next is the big strawberry. Holy moly. I have not seen a big strawberry bath melt since 2004, maybe 2003, 2004. Literally like 20 years ago. Lush used to make this and sell it in their stores and online. It's the big strawberry. And for those of you who are familiar with the other 2 or 3 cupcake looking Lush bath melts, this is pink, and so it looks like the Lush Melting Marshmallow Moments bath melt, which also was pink and looked like a cupcake, but not the same scent at all. So that other Melting Marshmallow Moment was very sweet and candy-like. This is more just fruity. So I can't wait to use that in the tub. And I'm excited because, like I say, I haven't used one in 20 years because they discontinued it in like 2003 or 4 or something like that. Wow. Okay, cool. So that is the big strawberry. And for the June box, Lush had us vote for various things, and one of those things was another one of the Lush cupcake style bath melts called Floating Island, which I voted for. So hopefully that one will be made. I like that one even better actually than the big strawberry. So let's see. Oh, there's something else here. Oh, yay! Oh, yay! I am so glad I voted for this. I love this shower gel. I've always loved this shower gel. It's different than the similar named Yummy Mummy shower gel. This is a little different because it doesn't have that tonka bean kind of sweetness, and it has more of strawberry juice and also frankincense. It's the familiar scent of Yummy 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 shower gel that I love. Like I say, it's very light compared to the other Yummy 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 shower gels that I have. which smell even more like strawberry. But the scent is the same. It's just not as, So, but I'm still very excited to use a fresh bottle of Yummy, Yummy, Yummy. Alrighty. So we have some fruity goodness in here, don't we? Let me make sure. I think that's all of the products, but we've got Lush Lime Smoothie, the Big Strawberry Bath Melt, Yummy, Yummy, Yummy Shower Gel, and the last two are Raspberry Lime Body Lotion and Happy Blooming Shower Jelly. So, wow. So we've got some rare things here that I would call rare or exclusive. Let's see. The rarest thing of these 5 products is this lotion. Okay. And then the next in rarity is the Big Strawberry Bath Melt. And then the next in rarity is the Yummy, Yummy, Yummy Shower Gel. And then I think these two are probably the same rarity, both of these. And I'm excited about all of these. I think my favorite scent first of all of these products, okay? Not my favorite product, but my favorite scent is, it's a toss-up between, I think it's Yummy, Yummy, Yummy first, and then Happy Blooming second. And my favorite product, I would say the Yummy, Yummy, Yummy Shower Gel is my favorite product of the bunch here. So, yeah. I can't wait to take pictures of these and put them in my blog, because I know I don't have the Big Strawberry in my blog. I have the Big Strawberry, or my picture of it, in the Lush wiki online. I have that, but it's a terrible picture because I took it 20 years ago when I didn't really know how to take a picture, so it's very blurry. So now I'll take pictures of all of these, put them in my blog, describe them, rating. I'll do a video of this one when I use it. And yeah, so I hope that helps. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I miss you guys. And there's so much going on in my life that the last few months it's been very difficult to record a video, but thankfully that all that work is over, and so now I can put more attention to the Lush products and the Lush videos that I like to make for y'all. So I'm going to be making an ASMR video for my other channel, my other Lush ASMR channel. So just to let you guys know, I'll probably go through maybe a Lush kitchen box as well, and except it'll be in this sort of ASMR format, so that way I can once again make videos to relax those of you that watch that channel. If you guys have any questions at all about these products or anything else, just let me know down below. And I hope you guys are doing well. Like I say, I really miss you. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. And we'll talk to you again soon on the next Lush video. Okay? Bye-bye.